Hi, I'm Josh with Woodland Mills, and in this video I want to talk about our log loading ramp kit for our off-road trailer series. So the kit consists of 2 ramps. We use 2x2 steel tube. We've got welded key stock sections on the top, and that's to force the log to roll as opposed to slide up the ramps. We also have a key stock stopper on the back, which when inserted into the bunk gets hit tight against the side of the rail, and it prevents those 2 ramps from sliding in as you're winching up. In the kit, you're also going to get a winch mounted on the post, and this post fits in the unused log support here socket. We've got 30 feet of synthetic rope, and the synthetic rope is nice and easy to work with. It's easy on your hands, and the 30 feet gives you enough rope to go out over the log. You bring the rope under and you hook it back onto the track system, and then as you're winching, you're going to be rolling that log up the ramps. Now the winch does have the option for 2 speeds, so there's a lower speed for large logs and to reduce the effort, but it'll take more turns, and then there's a higher speed you can use for smaller logs, and we'll show you that when we get a log going here. The winch and the post can be stored during transport right on the mill, right in the log support socket. You can just tighten up that T-handle and keep it snug. You can also wrap the cable around and tighten up the cable to keep it in place. The 2 ramps have a storage position on the trailer as well. So these ramps are fed in from the front. There's a location to store them on at the back so they don't fall down. And then we have pins with locks. And what we can do is you just align all the holes, and that ramp is going to stay in place. You want to do the first one, and we've stacked them both on the same side so that they don't get in the way of the tongue jack. So again, you feed them in from the front. There's a shelf on the back they fit on. Line them up with a pin and push through. We'll get this one locked, and then you'll see we also have a pin location at the rear. And we'll just bring it through and put in the locking pin. So now we can take the ramps with us as we travel, as we transport. We've got everything secured, and now we have the ability to pull up next to the logs and get them on the sawmill wherever we go. This has been Josh with Woodland Mills with our log loading ramp kit for the off-road trailer.